I recently came across ads for Burn Slim, pushed aggressively as part of a so-called 60 Minutes documentary. The ads flash logos, dramatic narration, and imply appearances by Anderson Cooper and other well-known media figures. They claim to reveal a hidden 6-second gelatin trick for weight loss. Here's the truth. Burn Slim is just another weight loss scam, and the 60-minute segment is completely fake. Quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product. I'm exposing it so you don't get misled. The 60 Minutes branding is pure deception. There's no legitimate documentary backing this product, and Anderson Cooper has nothing to do with Burn Slim. His name, image, and other news-style visuals are used without permission to create false authority. Another red flag is the false association with Dr. Jennifer Ashton. Burn Slim ads imply she endorses the product. She has publicly warned on her verified social media that she does not endorse Burn Slim or any gelatin weight loss supplement. Many of these ads are AI generated, with fabricated quotes and fake visuals. Scientifically, Burn Slim doesn't hold up. The product claims it can burn fat at rest, reset hormones, suppress appetite, and outperform prescription injections without diet or exercise. That's impossible. There are no clinical trials, peer-reviewed studies, or independent evidence supporting these claims. Regulatory language is also misleading. References to FDA-approved, FDA-registered, or GMP-certified are used to imply legitimacy. The FDA does not approve dietary supplements for weight loss, and facility registration does not indicate effectiveness. The sales funnel is classic scam territory: fake urgency, countdown timers, massive discounts, and emotional testimonials that can't be verified. Many customer photos, reviews, and even doctor endorsements appear AI-generated or fabricated. Burn Slim has been rebranded under multiple names over the years. Many buyers report no results, and some even report unauthorized charges. Bottom line, Burn Slim is not backed by real documentaries, journalists, or doctors. The 60 Minutes angle, celebrity endorsements, and medical claims are all fabricated. This is a rebranded supplement pushed through deception, fake authority, and exaggerated claims. If you've seen these ads, don't trust them. Share this video to warn others and stay safe from scams.